Welcome to the Beacon Cove 3 hot tub from Blue Whale Spa, bringing luxury and relaxation, all available for affordable monthly payments. Say goodbye to stress and hello to hydrotherapy bliss with 3 powerful Stormforce 9 pumps and 54 premium jets. Light up the night with 29 LED lights and fun water features like fountains and a 10-inch waterfall. Enjoy a foot massage and soak away your worries while controlling everything with ease on the Balboa control panel. Ensure the perfect temperature with the 3 kilowatts heater. With included steps, cover and filters, it's easy to keep your hot tub fresh and inviting. Plus, we include delivery and installation across the UK mainland for free. Reserve your hot tub with just £99 deposit and explore finance options at 0% and 4.9% APR. The Beacon Cove 3 hot tub, the ultimate relaxation haven for the whole family. From Blue Whale Spa.